Hi everyone, it's Julia, your favorite travel vlogger, and I'm here today to show you this gorgeous beach I found. As I walk along the shore, I can't help but be in awe of the crystal clear turquoise waters and the fine white sand. The view is simply breathtaking. This beach is located on the coast of Thailand, and it's a hidden gem that not many tourists know about. The locals call it Paradise Beach, and it's easy to see why. It's the perfect spot to relax and soak up some sun while listening to the calming sound of the waves. One interesting fact about this beach is that it's surrounded by limestone cliffs that are over 100 million years old. These cliffs make the perfect backdrop for your beach photos and add to the overall natural beauty of the area. Whether you're looking for a quiet spot to read a book or a place to take a refreshing dip in the sea, this beach has something for everyone. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, it's Julia, your travel vlogger, and today I'm exploring this stunning beach. The sun is shining, the water is crystal clear, and the sand is soft beneath my feet. The views here are absolutely breathtaking. As I walk along the shore, I can see families playing in the water, friends building sandcastles, and couples taking romantic walks. It's a perfect place for a fun day in the sun or a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. What's interesting about this beach is its rich history. It's said that this was a popular spot for pirates to hide their treasures many years ago. The locals also tell stories about a mythical sea creature that lives in these waters, but don't worry, it's just a legend. As I continue to walk along the beach, I'm just amazed by the natural beauty all around me. The waves crashing against the shore, the seagulls flying overhead, and the stunning rock formations in the distance. It's truly a paradise. So, if you're looking for a place to relax and enjoy the sun and sand, this beach is a must-visit destination. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel videos like this one.